Now, to begin working with the database, we need to first create our database connection. To achieve this, go to WebAssist menu, Database, and click on Database Connections. We create a new database, and we can use the new MySQLi or the classic MySQL. For this case, we're going to use MySQLi. Under the connection name, type any name you want. In this case, we're going to use WebAssist. For charset, we're going to use UTF-8. Under MySQL server, we need to type localhost. By default, username for MAM is root, and the same for password. Then we can select the database we just created. And we can test if it's working. If you want to use additional connection, you may add here in additional connection tab. For this case, we're going to click on OK. And now we can see our WebAssist connection is created with our table cities, countries, and states.